Hello friends. Well, we have seen the usage of apt which we use on Debian or Ubuntu distribution. Now let's have a look at yum, which is used on Red Hat based or enterprise based Linux distributions. And yum itself stands for Yellow Dog, which is kind of strange name. Yellow Dog Updater Modified. And it's an open source command line package management utility for Linux operating systems using RPM based packages. And RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager. Now we can use RPM on, of course, on Red Hat or on CentOS as well. But the problem with RPM is that once you issue the RPM based commands to install certain packages, it will give you messages that you need to install this package as well, this package as well, that package as well. So it's like a package itself depends on multiple packages. So if you are using RPM based command line tool, it would give you the options that, not the options, rather I would give them the errors that you need to install package, let's say dependency 1 and dependency 2 and dependency 3, and then if you install one of these dependencies, they may be dependent on other packages as well. But this yum utility, this cuts out this work for us, so it automatically takes care of the dependencies that need to be installed for installation of a certain package. Now, although yum is a text-based utility, but there are certain GUI-based tools which are based on yum. And if we want to install a package, then the procedure for installation of packages using yum is the same as we had seen in the case of apt. That we have got our Linux machine, it has got a cache in here as well to install the package information, and then there are internet repositories from where we can get the information, where we can get the RPM packages downloaded from. So these are the repositories, we can say them repositories, and this is the cache. But the difference between yum cache and apt cache is that yum cache gets updated automatically, but in case of apt we needed to use the command apt cache to get the cache up, or apt get update to get the cache updated. But in case of yum, each and every time we want to install a package, that cache gets updated automatically if it is not already. The configuration files are available in etc yum.conf and also in etc yum.repos.d, and then the repository files name over here that some of them are by default available. For example, the default repositories for CentOS, but if you want to add yours, you would like to add them in this path. As far as typical commands for using yum are concerned, well, they are yum install and then package name. Similarly, you can remove and then package name, or if you want to search for a package name in the cache, you can type in, not the search, is the info. Search is in the case of apt, but for yum it's info and then the package name. And if you want to have a look at the detailed information about that package, you can add in show keyword, or no, I believe search is there. Yeah, just my mistake. Search is there. So search keyword is there, but in case of instead of show, we have got info. So let me just remove this one and put it on over here. So info is equivalent to show and search is search. Then we can use yum update and then the package name to update a certain package, or if we do not put in any package name, we just put in yum update, then whole of our distribution will get updated. There is also one more command which is yum provides. What this command does is that if we have got certain files in our distribution, of course there are thousands of files once we install the enterprise Linux on our systems, but if we want to see that what file belongs to which package, then we can use this command yum provides and then the file name, and it will show us that which files or which package this files belongs to. And it's really good utility to find out if you have got packages which files which we are not aware of, or we are not certain that which package it belongs to, or whether those packages or whether those files are broken or not, or we want to have some detailed information about the packages, maybe to try to get it updated. Then we can use this command to find the packages against certain files. So pretty easy stuff. Concept is the same, and it's very easy as compared to using the RPM, because it takes care of the dependency by itself. So what I'm going to do is that let's head over to the CentOS terminal, CentOS 7, and see how we can use these yum commands to install or remove the packages. So I'm here at my CentOS 7 box, and let's just quickly come on to terminal. And once terminal gets opened up, the first command that we can use is to, let's say, search for specific packages. So what I'm going to do is that let's search for yum, search is the keyword, and let's search for calculator. So I type in genome calc, and it says that it has found in its cache that there is a genome calculator. Now let's have a look at the detail of this. I'm not very sure that what does it say. So if you are not sure, let's try to get some detailed information by putting in info switch. And it says that there is no, alright, so we need to give in the complete name, which I do, and here's the detailed information of that. That what it does is that it's a powerful graphical calculator, and this is what we wanted, and this is the size of that, and at the moment it is installed, and it is installed from the base repository, and we'll see about that in a while. What is this base repository? So what we are gonna do is that if I come on to applications and in accessories, this is the utility that I'm talking about. Let's try to remove this one. Let's type in sudo yum remove, and afterwards the name of the utility, which is genome calculator, and press enter, give in the password, and we'll see that the package will get removed. It has asked for the confirmation. I press yes, and package gets removed. Now if we come into applications and see that in accessories, that application is gone. Now to install it, we'll simply put in install, and the package will get updated or will be installed. Now I must tell you that before using this command install, it is better that you issue the command update so that your system gets updated with the latest enterprise Linux, whatever version you are using, with the latest repositories that are available from the sources. So the package installed, and if I come to applications in accessories, so in accessories we see that calculator application is indeed has been installed. Now as far as configuration files are concerned, the first is available in etc and yum.conf. This is the main file for yum configuration, and there is nothing much in there. Of course, these are the default that you wouldn't like to change. This is the cache directory where it puts the caches, and also we see the log file. We also see that the GPG, which is privacy check, and also if I bring it down all the way, it says that it's better that we put our repositories in this path. So let's check this path. I put in yum.repos.d, and over here we have got some default files available. These are the files, these are the repository sources which points to the sources of this CentOS, and these are the base. So let's have a look at the base, because you see once I installed this calculator and we had taken the information about it, it said that it is available from the repository, base repository of CentOS. So let's have a look at that base repository information. So I type in base repo, and here is that. And if I come over here, this is the base that I was telling you about, and this is the mirror list. So this is the path where that packages are available and get downloaded from. And likewise, we have got GPG check for its authenticity. This is the GPG key which is downloaded and is available in this path. And similarly, if we want to have the updates, then this is the path from where the updates will get received. And some extra packages, this is the main stanza for that, and these are the further details for that. So if you want to add in your information, you can do that by putting your information in here, and in the same manner and the same syntax that you are seeing right now. And let me just remove this one. This one is bracket. And anyway, I'm not going to save this file anyway. And it's also recommended that if you want to change the default configurations file, then please take a backup of that. It is a recommended practice. Otherwise, it is better that you put in your own repository file over here so that it gets read once you want to install or update a package. So that's all there is to it as far as using Yum utility. It's nothing difficult if you understand the concept and the working of it. And once you get used to it, you will feel that it's pretty easy to handle. And of course, this is just the basic stuff. Once you get the idea of how to use it, you can get into much more details about its customization. So I hope you have learned from this video, and I would like to thank you for viewing.